Alright guys, so I kind of had to pause and rethink how I was doing this. Whenever I made the first hole, you can see right here, I drilled a 5/8 inch hole right here, and then I just cut it flat. And I had the iron in here and thinking that it was going to be able to scrub it away as it was coming over, and it did not work at all. Testing it went terrible. It wasn't working. So I was trying to rethink what I really needed to actually do. And so I re-drilled a hole. This one was a 1/2 inch hole, and then I tapered it using the reamer until I could get my 5/8 inch peg directly through just on the other side of the hole. So this is exactly 5/8 inch now. It's not kind of wallered out by the reamer. So I reamed it down to exactly the 5/8 inch that I needed. Now, what I think I need to do is actually bevel this piece so that whenever the piece is coming over, it's actually coming up into it like you would be doing like wood turning. Instead of being on the side of it here where it would just be scraping it, it would actually be flat right here, and then it would also be flat up here, and then so the iron is actually going to be sitting at a kind of like an angle like that. So what I'm going to do now is put it in there, kind of shave this down, and then work my way so that this is going to be kind of at a bevel. I think that's what I need to do. If not, I'll chop this, drill another hole. We'll just keep on trying to figure this out. All right, so this is like a 1 inch dowel, so I'm gonna have to lift up on the bottom of it. But I did test it out, and it does work exactly how it's supposed to now. So as it's coming around, it is just shaving it right off. So that is exactly what I wanted it to do. It's gonna go ahead and get it set. This is perfectly round all the way around. You can see that it's still kind of tearing it apart right here, which is not a big issue. Whenever I go to use it in a leg, I can clean that up. The only other thing that I can see right now is that I'm gonna have to take this block right here and kind of narrow it down so that my iron, it was as wide as this, but now that I've angled the iron on this, now some of it's sticking up here, so it's not going to get that good clean cut for my entire piece. So I'm going to have to shave this down a little bit, and I'll probably just do that on the bandsaw. But there it is. Made a mistake by cutting it at a square edge, and then I also had to change my clamp so that I could have it clamped at an angle. But I mean, it works as it's supposed to now. I did try to do it on this bigger one, but it'll only go in so far because I don't have any cutting edge right here. So it's actually acting kind of like a shooting board. But yep, I mean, well, there you go. So there's some shavings coming off of that. But that's it. That's what it's supposed to be doing. It is a simple project, but I've never worked with any of this kind of stick chair tenons and stuff like that. So this is all new to me, kind of branching out there. Alright guys, so now we know how to make the cutter, and now that I know that I have to have smaller holes to begin with the reamer, I'm gonna go ahead and remake the seat and also make it 1 inch bigger, but everything is working as it should now, so I'm set up now to make some stick legs, and I'm looking forward to doing this project. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys found it useful, hit that thumbs up button. If you guys have any questions, comments, leave them down in the section below. And remember, this is a very simple project. It took me a little bit to figure it out, but it is a simple project, can be made in an afternoon. And all the tenon cutters are back ordered on Lee Valley, so that's why I went ahead and did this. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys on the next video.